So STO'SENSE recently sent me out this corner coffee bar, and I'm going to be showing you what all came in the box, how easy it was to put together, and I'm also going to show you an up-close look at all the features. So let's go ahead and skip back in time to when this was in a box. So this is how the boxes came. They came really nicely packaged and marked so that we know exactly what's in the box. And you are going to get 2 boxes. So here is everything laid out. I usually like to lay these out in numerical order so it's easy to grab things as I go. So I just have it going all the way from 1 to 47, I think, over here. Now we can get started on putting it together. So the setup process took me about 3 hours to put together. I will say having a ratcheting screwdriver was a must. They do give you a little handheld screwdriver, but the ratcheting one made this go by a lot faster. I did have to pause halfway through building this because it was getting really late. So I did about an hour of building the first night and then about 2 hours the next morning. It honestly was not hard to put together. It just takes some time. The instructions were done really well. They were super clear and I didn't have any issues putting this together. So here it is completely put together. It does come with 3 drawers that are nice and deep, and they have this fun, unique design that looks very modern, and they kind of come down in slats, and these really nice sturdy gold handles. So plenty of storage on the drawer side. And then on this side, we have some glasses storage and then some bottle storage right here. I love this design. You can get more out of your storage by hanging stemmed glasses and then setting non-stemmed glasses right below. This design makes so much sense. I absolutely love it. And then right below, we have these little nooks for bottles. So I just have this bottle right here just so you can kind of see how it fits. And it does have a perfect fit, and we have 6 storage options right here. And then moving over to the side, when you want this to be closed, it looks super clean and sleek. And then when you slide these open, you have so much more storage. It goes all the way back to there. And you can put things like appliances down there, more food options. It's honestly big enough to be a small pantry, but I would probably put our drink appliances down here, like margarita machines, extra coffee supplies, and other drink mixes. And then I love that it has a built-in outlet right here on the top. We have 2 regular outlets and then a USB-C and a regular USB port. So you could charge things on here. You could also plug in your appliances like coffee makers. I also just love the vintage dark wood look. It looks so sleek and beautiful. They had a few different color options, but I absolutely love this color. It's also made out of really sturdy material, so I was really impressed after I tightened all of the bolts down and screws just with how sturdy this piece of furniture is. It could definitely hold a lot of weight. I'm really impressed with the sturdiness of this piece of furniture. So I went ahead and put some of my things in and on this piece of furniture so you could kind of get an idea of what it could look like. On this side, I have all of my coffee bar things, mugs, teapot, travel mugs, coffee. And what's nice is this coffee maker is actually plugged in on that outlet right over there. And if we have company over and I want this to look a little nicer, I could just close these drawers and it looks 10 times better. So clean, so sleek. We also have our glasses and bottles right over here in this storage. We have room for some decorations, a candle and picture, and then even a little charging station right here. And then we even have more storage in these drawers for things like sticky notes, more charging cords, or like a lighter for a candle. So yeah, overall, I think this is a really great piece of furniture. It was easy to put together because of the really great instructions. It did take a little bit of time, but honestly, so worth it for how quality this piece of furniture is. I love all the storage options. I love how clean and sleek it looks. Definitely a 10 out of 10 would recommend.